Hi! In front of me is tablet DELL RUGGED 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by hitting this gear at the top left corner of your keyboard and tapping on Size and Theme right away. Following that, just click on the best theme for you to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. In order to customize it, scroll down and click on Custom Theme located under all the available ones. Then manage all of those options however you want to. You can tap on background color, select the best one for you, and tap on Done in the pop-up. Or click on background picture, select Browse next to Choose a picture and click on the best one for you. When you're ready, tap on Choose Picture at the bottom right corner of your pop-up. Then you need to choose a fit by clicking on the best one for you and adjust image brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. When you finished, scroll down and adjust accent color and text color the same way as background color. Just pick a perfect one and hit Done. When you finished, click on Save at the bottom. And now when I go back and check out my keyboard, I can see that theme of it was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!